Hello everyone. In the previous video of our training series, we talked about Bitcoin and blockchain. Today's topic will be altcoins. What are altcoins? How can we profit from altcoins? What should we pay attention to when choosing an altcoin? In this educational video, we will discuss these topics. Let's start with what an altcoin is. Altcoins are cryptocurrencies created as alternatives to Bitcoin. It is a general term for all cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. As the name suggests, they are alternative cryptocurrencies. The alt in altcoin comes from alternative. Altcoins aim to solve different problems by utilizing blockchain infrastructure. Each altcoin has a different purpose. For example, Ethereum is the most well-known altcoin and ranks second in the cryptocurrency list after Bitcoin. Ethereum is a platform designed for developers to create decentralized applications. If we see Bitcoin as the gold of cryptocurrencies, we can view Ethereum as the oil. As for Ripple, its purpose is to facilitate money transfers at zero cost. We can list the purposes of altcoins, including payment methods, blockchain services, smart contracts, the Internet of Things, privacy, and data security. Right now, we are on the CoinMarketCap website. Thanks to CoinMarketCap, we can access all kinds of information about cryptocurrencies. Here, Bitcoin is in the first place. In addition to Bitcoin, there are a total of 8,870 altcoins. If you are interested in cryptocurrencies, the CoinMarketCap website will be very helpful for your information needs. Altcoins are riskier investment tools compared to Bitcoin. To avoid losses with altcoins, it is necessary to adhere to certain rules. One of the most important things to pay attention to when investing in altcoins is the timing of your investment. This is because altcoins do not always rise and are very risky investment tools. For example, let me give you an example. If you had been in this market from 2018 until March 2020, you would have seen a significant and continuous decline in altcoins, and this decline was not a normal one. Many people's nests were destroyed and their psychology was affected. However, if you entered the cryptocurrency market and invested in altcoins at the beginning of 2021, you are currently experiencing significant profits. For example, we can mention Chiliz here. Chiliz was a project we talked about a lot. We had mentioned it to you quite a bit before it rose. The project is good and the team is constantly working. We had been explaining to you, Chiliz increased its price by approximately 30 times within a month, and it has recorded a very large increase. You can see that its value hovers around 63 cents. I bought this around December 2020 for 8 kurush, and it currently appears to be worth about 5 TL. What I mean is that the timing of your investment is very important. If you coincide with the BOA market, it is a time when solid and reliable cryptocurrencies are on the rise. You can earn serious money in these markets. However, if you are in a bear season, your money can drop by around 90%. These are not dreams. For example, imagine you bought Ripple at the end of 2017. It rose to 350. It experienced a significant bear market, and the price dropped to 15 cents. However, even though about 3 to 4 years have passed, its price is currently hovering around 50 cents. These are significant declines, and if you are not in solid projects and have not used stop loss, altcoins can cause you serious losses. Additionally, if you are going to invest in altcoins, the sudden movements of Bitcoin are very relevant to you. If Bitcoin suddenly drops, the dollar prices of the altcoins you own will also experience a significant decline. If Bitcoin makes a significant rise, there will be a slight decrease in the dollar prices of altcoins. Generally, for altcoins to rise, the price of Bitcoin needs to remain stable. When altcoins move steadily, instead of making sudden drops and rises, they begin to experience a nice upward trend. Therefore, when we invest in altcoins, we must closely monitor Bitcoin's movements. When investing in altcoins, try to select solid altcoins. Avoid dealing with coins that are widely discussed and manipulated based on hearsay. Stay away from these. Otherwise, your money will likely be worthless. What do I mean by solid altcoins? Is the project's team working? What is the project about? On which exchanges is the project listed? Is there volume on the exchanges where it is listed? And come to the CoinMarketCap website. For example, I want to talk about Chiliz for this video. Here, I have come to Chiliz. Let's do an analysis of Chiliz right now. It is ranked 31st on the CoinMarketCap website. Look, the website is like this, chiliz.com. Let this be open. Here we see that its price is around 63 cents, and it has made a 16% increase today. I won't come to get this today because it has risen by 16%. After looking at this, it will definitely be necessary for you to first examine its 3-month and 1-month charts. Now I am looking at the 3-month chart, and the price has risen from 5 cents to 90 cents here. So this project is one that I have a lot of confidence in for the long term, and I have very high expectations for it. I bought it at a very low price and I really like it, but the price is currently very high. So right now we are in a bull season, and while everything is rising, I won't invest in coins that have already gone up. Instead, I will look at other projects. Look, the 3-month chart is like this. Let's convert this to a 1-month chart. The chart from a month ago also shows that it rose from around 6 cents to these prices. Perform such a price analysis. Check if the market cap is high here. Additionally, look at the circulating supply and the volume. Also, check the exchanges where it is listed from the market section. Listed on Binance Exchange, listed on Huobi Exchange, listed on FTX, quite nicely listed on good exchanges. For example, they received approval from this side for us. Come to the social section here and take a look at their social media. Is the team working? What are they doing? Come and see. For instance, let's go check one of their tweets. The team constantly announces new developments, and they have a significant number of serious followers. The CEO has made a statement about the coin, and news about it is circulating on a nice site like Cointelegraph. They also have different social media accounts. You can explore the sections there. We are currently on the Chili's website, and, for example, we are examining the site from here. Look, in the official partners section, there are big clubs like Roma, Paris, Selçukven, Juventus, Barcelona, and Galatasaray. If you scroll down a bit here, you'll see their social media. You can also check if there are any good investors here. This is how I analyze the coins, and we are doing quite well in terms of earnings. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, which exchange should we use to buy altcoins? I use the Binance exchange. Why Binance, you ask? It has a lot of cryptocurrencies listed, high trading volumes, low commission rates, and is a user-friendly exchange. When trading altcoins, it is very important to operate on a high-volume exchange. And with high-volume altcoins, if there is no volume, you will face a lot of difficulties in the exchange. You will incur losses when making trades, and your transactions will not be executed immediately. So, be careful to trade on exchanges with high volume. Make sure to buy your altcoins from there. If you ask whether the exchange is high volume or reliable, we go back to the CoinMarketCap website. We have arrived at the CoinMarketCap website. Here, there is an exchange section at the top. We can also change the language to Turkish from here. The Turkish word for exchange is already Borsa. Let's set the language to Turkish here. We have changed our language to Turkish, and we can see the major exchanges listed in order. The largest exchange is Binance, followed by Coinbase. It goes on like this. There is an exchange score here. Here are the 24-hour volumes. There is data showing how many visits the sites receive daily. The markets and how many coins there are also written here. We have reached the end of our educational video on what an altcoin is. See you in our next educational video.